Hi, everyone! We're excited to share some great news. Integray now supports local variables across a wide range of connectors. You can now define and use variables directly within specific groups of connectors, including scripting connectors like JS Mapper, JS Node, and Python Processor. Database connectors such as Oracle, SQLite, MySQL, Microsoft SQL, and PostgreSQL, as well as other connectors like Advanced REST API and Integray Endpoint. It's perfect for managing dynamic data like user inputs, calculated values, or any task-specific data, all within the same workflow. If you're looking for a step-by-step guide, we've got you covered. Click the link below for a detailed walkthrough that will help you get started quickly and maximize the potential of this powerful new feature. Ready to give it a try? Jump in and explore how local variables can streamline your automation. Let us know what you think, and stay tuned for more updates. Happy automating!